Hi, my name is Charlotte Stone and I'm a prolific knitter and the founder and designer behind Stone Knits, where I make and design handmade socks and other accessories. I have an absolute love for and a slight obsession with colourwork knitting. This is when you knit designs with 2 or more colours in one round. For me, there is something so magical about those tiny little stitches, which allow me to make beautiful socks covered in intricate patterns and illustrations. Just like an artist who creates with brush and paint, I can create unique and exciting designs with needles and yarn. And the best part, these cozy creations are going to keep your feet warm and look absolutely stylish. In this Domestika course, I will teach you the Colourwork technique to make your knitwear vibrant. For your final project, you will knit a pair of socks with an original design. I'll be making a plant with a flower in a pot, but you can make whatever you want. To start, I'll be covering the materials that you need before diving into basic knitting exercises. Once we've warmed up, I'll show you my beloved Colourwork technique. Then we'll go over how to design and make a sock. Time to start knitting. We'll start from top to bottom, so from the cuff down to the heel to the toe. With our base ready, we'll knit the Colourwork section and bring it all together. To finish our knitting project, I'll show you how to sew in the ends and how to best take care of your socks so they'll last you for years to come. So join me and learn to make knitwear bursting with colour. Promise it'll knock your socks off.